Hello, today's video is all about piping this beautiful flower step by step. I first start by marking the center on the cupcake, which makes it easy to pipe petals around it. I'm using Swiss meringue buttercream and using the petal tip Noor 44. I have tweaked the tip a little to give me thin petals. So I start from the outer edge of the cupcake and pipe petals in the form of M. Just wiggle the tip up and down as you apply pressure and you get these pretty petals. For this layer, the piping tip has to be slanting. I have filled my piping bag with cream frosting on the thick side of the tip and peach frosting on the thin side of the tip for this effect. Once the outer layer of petals is done, we repeat the same inside, but holding the tip at 45 degrees and not fully slanting. The next layer of petals are piped between the two outer petals. If you notice, the petals stand as we change the angle of a piping bag. Finally, we have one more round of petals inside as we still have some space. And now I hold my piping bag at 90 degrees. As you can see, it's straight to the cupcake. So we pipe another layer of petals inside. Doesn't that look pretty? And I just love this peach shade, just simple and beautiful. Next, for the center, I'm using a small star tip and piping a green center, just like this. For the stamens, I'm using tip 1 and yellow frosting. That gives you a natural looking flower. Cover the green with some yellow stamens for that natural effect and pipe more around the center. Once this is done, I use black frosting with a teeny tiny hole in the piping bag to just add black tips to the yellow stamens. This makes it look so natural and adds to the finest details. So there you have it, a pretty buttercream flower. Let me know what you think. Bye.